Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your audio device is disabled on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, and you're coming across this error message after completing the troubleshooting utility that's built into Windows. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in Control Panel. Best match should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. You want to set your view by to large icons, and then you want to select the sound item in here. So go ahead and left click on that to open it up. Underneath the playback tab, which should be the default landing page here, you want to right click in a blank area and make sure where it says show disabled devices and disconnected devices are both turned on or checkmarked, so they should be visible. And then you would right click on whatever device that you're trying to undisable, basically. You would right click on it and you would select enable. So I just disabled the speakers here, so if I wanted to enable it, I'm just going to right click on it and I'm going to select enable, and that's all you have to do. And if you want to take it a step further and also configure the device, you're going to right click on it and select configure speakers. You can do additional sound options by going through here as well. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.